It's the end of an era. The Viking Merlin 8x42 are being replaced with a new more compact 34mm set, which will, depending on when you watch this video, be either available now or very shortly. And so while we still have a few left in stock, we'll have a final look at them. And so these at 720 grams, they're not heavy. They're what I call well built, and my word, these do really feel extremely solid set of binoculars. I think it's a 5-year guarantee, but these are going to last a lifetime as long as you look after them. And so these are ED glass with BAK4 prisms, which are dielectric coated, and it's something about Viking dielectric coatings. I really like them. If the main thing tick box for you is a bright image, you really can't go wrong within any price range. Nice wide field of view, 8.1 degrees, close focus I found at under 2 meters. Nice internal quality twist eye cups here, as per all Viking binoculars, really nice quality twist eye cups. Just over 17mm eye relief, 8.1 degrees field of view, nice smooth focus wheel. Maybe the only, if I'm being picky, the strap lugs are a little bit sharp edged there, not to cause any damage or anything, but just you can just feel it on the inside of your hands when you hold them. So you just adjust the position of your hands, and that's not a problem. So come with a nice nylon case, padded strap, lens caps all round, nice retail packaging there. And yeah, so it's just a quick look at them now, final look. I did another video where I picked out 10 things that I liked about them. I'll link to that at the end of this one. And in the description I've put in a code, a discount code for checkout, where you can save £50 on these while stocks last. And if you go there and the link has disappeared, or you click on the link and they've all sold out, then it means you thought about it for a little bit too long. So that's a quick final look at the Viking Merlin 8x42ED before they've all gone. So as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.